Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free. Today we want to talk about seeds.
Yeah.
Garden seeds. Last fall, or last summer, we started experimenting with microgreens.
Yes.
We didn't know anything about it. And we went to a company online called True Leaf Market. And they had all kinds of seeds for microgreens, all kinds of information about how to do it, starter kits for that. They've got seeds for microgreens and for sprouts. Mm-hmm. And so we bought a kit to start our microgreens, and we've been doing a little experimenting with that. And then we got into the move to come down here to Virginia and over the winter and everything. We didn't really think about it much. Then when we were ready to start the garden here, we didn't have any seeds. So not thinking, we just went out to Walmart and Lowe's.
Yeah, really early in the season.
And we started looking around. And here's the problem that we had. They had a whole bunch of different brands and a whole bunch of different mix up of stuff. It was heirloom or not heirloom, organic, not organic, just a whole mismatch. So we took a lot of time picking through all of that to try to find the ones that we wanted, and the organic and the heirloom seeds especially.
I'd like to propagate my own.
Right. Well, just recently, all of a sudden, I remembered True Leaf Market. So we went to True Leaf Market, and I'm telling you what, not only do they have microgreens and sprouts seeds, but they have a huge selection of garden seeds for everything you could imagine for your garden, including a lot of things that I've never heard of. And here is their website. You can see here and notice all the different stuff they've got. I mean, garden seeds, sprouts, microgreens, supplies, everything that you need for your garden. And so we placed another order, and we already have pretty much the seeds that we need for this year, but we got a whole box full of seeds. These are all heirloom, and most of them are organic. And we just got a whole box of stuff here. I don't want to go through all of that. That's not the point. But so we are set up now with seeds for probably for next year. We're going to be trying to propagate the stuff that we have because we have heirloom seeds, but we've never done anything like that. So we don't know how that's going to go. So we have all of these for the future.
We were able to get our seeds very, very early on before there was quite as much quarantining and all that kind of stuff going on.
The ones that we bought from Walmart.
Yeah, when we went and got some from Walmart and from Lowe's. And I was glad we could find what we did. I got as many that were heirloom and organic as I could. But I was just thinking about it and knowing that a lot of people were wanting to get seeds. And so I thought, I would just like to know that I'm going to have actual heirloom seeds that I can propagate in all sorts of different things and just have them so that I know that whatever happens, I can definitely still plant that. So it was really easy. I literally was able to go to a category that was heirloom seeds. And with very few exceptions, I was able to get some kind that I wanted that were, the heirloom is important just if you want to use that plant to make more plants, because sometimes if they're really hybrid or they've had a lot of stuff that being manipulated with them, you can't really produce more seeds from the food that you grow. Sometimes it can taste delicious and have great qualities, but you can't propagate it. You can't grow more. So I wanted things that I knew that if I grew it, I could grow more the next year. And so there was a few things that I couldn't find under the heirlooms, very few, and I just got the best ones I could find. But most everything I had my eyes open for, I was able to get heirloom. So it worked out really pretty easy. And I feel like now, my little box here, I've just got a bunch of stuff, those will last quite a long time. I'll keep an eye on them. And I can just know that I've got the seeds for something that maybe next year I wasn't able to propagate or something like that. And I can keep them going. So it was a very easy place, pretty reasonable. And so, it was pretty cool to have the box arrive.
Yeah. So we were so impressed with the entire huge selection that True Leaf Market has. And we were looking at it, basically right in the middle of the shutdown, and there were so many other companies that were either completely shut down or else they were out of stock. All their inventory, they had sold everything they had. But True Leaf never ran out of stock. There were only 1 or 2 little items that I saw that were out of stock. But everything else they still had in stock. And they must be a big commercial place that commercial farmers can go and buy too, because if you look at any given item, you can buy anything from a 1 ounce bag to up to 50 pounds or more of any given seed. So I don't know what I would do with 50 pounds of broccoli seeds.
They'll tell you how many seeds there is in each container,
Yeah.
and sometimes there was like 1.5 million seeds. It's pretty cool.
So this is the real deal, folks.
Yeah.
And in the middle of the shutdown, they had challenges with shipping, like many other people do, and they were
Yeah, it
saying
took a little while.
that they were a couple weeks behind in fulfilling the orders. But now on the website, it says that they've caught up.
Cool.
Yeah, so
Cool.
that's pretty cool. So anyway, we just wanted to tell you about True Leaf Market if you've never heard of it. It's a pretty cool website. And just for full disclosure here, we were so impressed with it that we became affiliates of True Leaf. So we have a link down below. It's our affiliate link, so you can go to True Leaf Market to get all of your gardening supplies and seeds.
Yeah, if you want to do that,
Yeah.
we have been pretty impressed with them. And I feel like I'm kind of set now, which is nice.
Right. So that's it. That's where we get where we will get our seeds from now on.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thanks everybody for watching.
Yeah, live simple.
Live free. Be blessed.
All right, love you guys. Bye-bye.